Well, joining us today here on Primetime Local News is Trista Tesolin, a health educator and registered dietitian with the Alberta Healthy Living Program. So, Trista, first off, I know there's a bunch of programs that AHS is putting out there to the public. So, what exactly are some of these programs that you're going to be offering?
Yeah, so the Alberta Healthy Living Program services those with chronic conditions in communities throughout Alberta. And the Alberta Healthy Living Program is an integrated community-based chronic disease management program. And the online workshops are part of the regularly offered Alberta Healthy Living Program classes, which have been offered in about 28 communities across Central Zone before the pandemic. And before the pandemic, these workshops were offered in person. Now the classes are offered by Zoom and they're open to all communities across the zone. If people are interested in more information, they can visit our website at www.ahs.ca/AHLP. If you scroll down to the Central Zone tab, there will be some more information there and also a link to our current class schedule guide.
Let's touch a little bit more on some of the classes that you are offering. Just to highlight a few, one, you're talking about nutrition labels as well as diabetes management. Lots of us may have some misconceptions when it comes to those subject matters. So, why is it important to educate the people in that regard?
So our nutrition labels, the Reading Between the Lines workshop, it is offered by AHS registered dietitians, and we share our expertise and guide the interactive discussion. And we hope that by coming to this workshop, that participants will understand nutrition labels better, and that they'll learn how to read the nutrition facts table and understand health claims on food labels so they can make healthier food choices. And also it'll help build skills to help them make the healthiest choices at the grocery store. In terms of the Diabetes the Basics workshop, that is a 4-part workshop, and it is for people that have been diagnosed with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, or their support people or just people wanting to learn more. So in that workshop, participants will learn about what is diabetes, the foods that affect blood sugars. They'll learn about blood sugar monitoring, controlling their blood sugars, and of course, much more. And facilitators like myself, we share knowledge and provide information and discussions that can help participants manage their day-to-day life with their condition.
Now, with these online sessions, were they always like a yearly thing and always available to the public, or has this been just more of a bigger push for these courses now because of the COVID-19 pandemic?
Yeah, so prior to the pandemic, we were offering our regular classes and workshops in about 28 communities across Central Zone. And now we're offering the workshops online to follow the public health guidelines on physical distancing during the COVID-19 pandemic. And even though we're in a pandemic, we, still have these chronic conditions. And we know by getting the health information, people are better able to manage their condition.
I know you touched on it a little earlier, but just reiterate how people can sign up and register for these workshops.
So our workshops are free to adults 18 years and over and their support people. And all we ask that people call and register through the Alberta Healthy Living Program. They can call 1-877-314-6997. At that time, they will receive a Zoom link since all of our classes are online now. And we do encourage people to register and not just share Zoom links because sometimes our dates and times can change just so we can keep people updated if there are any changes.
Well, Trista, I really appreciate your time and thank you so much for giving us some insight on how people can get into these workshops and hopefully better their health. So thank you very much.